Okay, I don't know. Excuse me if I look like Megan Thee Stallion right now.
So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Capri. If you're new here, welcome girl. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below right now. Like this video because you already know it's gonna be bomb, so why not just do it now? So today is a little special treat for y'all. I'm breaking out of the norm, doing little stuffy videos. I just want to do a little experimental video. I'm always in Dollar Tree and I'm like, do this work, do that work? I'ma just go ahead and, you know, get it all out the way for y'all so y'all know what works, what doesn't work, what you can leave in the store, or what you can pick up and actually use for $1. But for right now, let's get right into this video. So I picked up 5 beauty items that I'm going to be trying today for you all. This is my first time trying these items. I have not used them before, so y'all gonna see my real and raw reaction with this. So first we do have this roll-on, ready-to-use Aroma Guru and Tea Tree. It's like a roll-on thing. It's supposed to do a few different things. I don't know. I do have a few facial products. So I do have a charcoal facial cleanser. I did pick up a soothing facial toner in cucumber and aloe. So I have 2 products for your teeth. And this one I actually saw on TikTok. It's the Reach Essentials Instant Whitening Pen. And they said it was really good. This was the whole basis for me doing this video in the first place because I saw this. So I said, let's pick up a few more beauty items and see if they actually work. And I also got another one, which is a natural white 5-minute whitening tooth whitening system. And this actually comes with like the trays. So we're gonna see how that works. I guess I'll do the pen on the top and like the trays on the bottom or something like that. I don't know, girl. We're gonna work it all out, but yeah, let's get right on into it and try these items out. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna get into is this roll-on Aroma Guru Tea Tree. It says it's an easy to apply roll-on. Aroma Guru, no mess, no fuss, pre-diluted and ready to use roll-ons are easy to use. Simply apply it to your temples, the back of your ears, and your post joints. Now, the benefits of this is supposed to be toning and balancing skin, helps soothe irritated skin, help balance oily hair, helps release tension, helps fight body odor, and it's an insect repellent as well. Now, it says you can use like right here on your wrist or behind the ear or on your temples. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put a little bit behind my ear and a little bit on my wrist. Let's see what the consistency is like. So I'm rolling it on. Okay, let me tell you one thing. I can smell it. Definitely can smell it. It's not really coming out a lot. I don't know if it's supposed to or what, but it's on there for real. For sure, it is on there. It's not as thick as I would like it to be, but I definitely smell the tea tree oil. I'm also gonna put a little bit on my temples right here, and I'm gonna put a little bit behind my ear, and I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit. I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes and see if I'm getting some kind of reaction out of it. I don't know if I feel calmer. I'm not really worked up right now. Maybe I should have gotten an argument or something with somebody to see if it worked. But I'm gonna let this sit. This stuff is like barely coming out. I don't know. I feel like it's supposed to come out a little bit more, but whatever. It's a Dollar Tree. I'm gonna let this sit for a few minutes and I'm gonna come right back and let y'all know what the results are. So it's been about 5 minutes and the verdict is in. I like this. I don't know. I feel like if you have a nice warm bubble bath or a shower at night and you know you got all your face makeup taken off and you're relaxing in the bed, this will be really helpful. So this is really a 100% pure tea tree oil and sweet almond oil, and it is it says that it's 100% essential oil. So you're getting a whole bottle of essential oil for $1, and it's already diluted, so you don't have to worry about it being too much on your skin or anything. I really like it. It's not like super oily or anything, but it gives a good aroma, hence the aromatherapy. So yeah, if you're trying to relax, I would definitely recommend this. I don't know about the other effects of like the oily hair or whatever. I don't know about that, but if you're just trying to relax, get you some of this, girl. Okay, for this next one, like I told y'all, TikTok done got me, girl. They got me. Yeah, this is the Reach Essentials Instant Whitening Pen. It says it starts whitening as quickly as 1 day. Our professional strength whitening brush on pen contains the same active ingredient used professionally by dentists to brighten and whiten teeth. The active oxygen bubbles instantly starts working to gently remove stains. For best results, brush your teeth with a regular toothbrush. Remove the cover, twist it clockwise, paint it onto the entire front surface of each upper tooth, and repeat for the bottom teeth. Wipe off excess gel and avoid eating or drinking for 30 minutes afterwards. Asterisk, actual results may vary, so I don't know. I don't know, it may work, it may not work for you or for me or for whoever else, but we're gonna try this thing, all right? The only warnings are keep out of reach of children and not for children under the age of 12. So yeah, we're gonna try this out. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna go ahead, shake it on up. Remove the cover and twist clockwise until gel appears. Okay. Child, ain't nothing in here. Let me find out y'all took my hard-earned dollar. Okay, a good 1 minute later, we finally got some gel. Child, because I was about to say, hold on, you going back to Dollar Tree. And then we're just going to paint gel onto the tooth surface you wish to whiten and let it dry. Wipe off excess gel and avoid eating or drinking for 30 minutes afterwards. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, let me do it in the mirror first. Why am I talking like this? Let me do it in the mirror first and I'll be right back. Okay, I don't know. Excuse me if I look like Megan Thee Stallion right now. I don't know. Let me turn the light down. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna record this under some natural light because, yeah. Okay, so it's been on about 15 minutes now. And I guess you can say it is a little difference. I did the top, but I didn't do the bottom because I'm gonna try the bottom with the other whitening system. What y'all think? So, I don't know. I'm indecisive about this one because, I don't know. While it's on and like you see like the peroxide bubbles working and everything, it's working great thus far. But once you like kind of wipe it off or it's been sitting for a while, girl, it ain't did nothing that a little toothbrush and a little toothpaste can't do. So, I don't know. But for $1, if you're just trying to, you know, spruce up your teeth a little bit, you got a date that night or somewhere to go, it may do the trick. So, I don't know. Let's get into the next product though. So, the next one is the Natural White 5-minute whitening tooth whitening system. It says it has fast results and it's easy to use and it's guaranteed to whiten teeth beyond tough surface stains. Clinically proven, safe, and effective. Okay. Directions for use: brush your teeth, apply gel sparingly in top and bottom of tray reservoirs. Leave tray in mouth for 5 minutes. Use morning and night. Remove tray from mouth. Rinse tray and store clean. Rinse mouth with water. Repeat until you achieve your desired shade of white. Your teeth will begin to whiten after 5 minutes and results may vary once again. Okay, so I'm gonna pop this bad boy open. Like I said, I already cleaned my teeth. I already did the top with the whitening pen. So this is, I'm just gonna use the bottom tray for this. All right, so inside the pack you have Okay, so it's one tray, but it has like a guard in the middle of it. So your top teeth go here and your bottom go here. And you have the tube of the whitening, which feels like it's a lot of product in it. So yeah, you can use this over and over as many times as you want until you get the desired shade of white. Like I said, I've already brushed my teeth, so I'm gonna just go ahead, pop this top off. Okay, it's already open. And I'm gonna use the bottom. Now, I don't know how you're supposed to know. I guess it's just supposed to look like lips. So I'm gonna assume this is the top. And I'm gonna put it in the bottom part. So I've just put the gel right in the bottom there. And I'm gonna pop it in my mouth. And I'm gonna keep it on for 5 minutes and I'll be right back to show y'all what the results are. Once again, they hyped this up. I'm trying to give y'all natural light because the ring light is just gonna show really bright, nice white teeth, of course, what it's supposed to do. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's only the bottom. The taste of that one was much worse than the first one, than the whitening pen. So definitely be advised of that. Now this one does say, you know, you have to use it morning and night, so that may play a role in it as well. You know, it's not like an overnight 5-minute result. Even though it says 5-minute whitening, it's just supposed to work. You're supposed to have it in for 5 minutes, but that doesn't mean it's gonna work in 5 minutes. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to try this one for a few days to see if this one works or not. It did a little something. I could taste it. I definitely could taste it working, but no, just go to the dentist, sis. Just get a whitening at the dentist, because these little hacks and tips and tricks for $1 ain't cutting it. It ain't doing it. But yeah, let's get right to the next product. So for these last two products, they are facial products. So I did go ahead and take all my makeup off. So fresh face, bare face, nothing on my face at all. So the first thing I'm gonna get into is this deep pore charcoal facial cleanser. It says that it draws out dirt and oil, and it can be compared to Biore charcoal cleanser, and it's good for oily skin. So the charcoal ingredient in this cleanser is known for its ability to draw out dirt and oil to help clean your pores for a fresh feeling face. And the directions say to wet the face and apply the cleanser into hands, rub gently all over your face, and rinse thoroughly and use daily. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open this up. It does have a flip top, so you can open it and close it. I'm gonna open it up, let's see. Okay, it doesn't have like a weird smell. It smells like a cleanser. The consistency is pretty thick. It's not like, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's not like a really liquidy or anything. It's pretty thick. So I don't know, let's go ahead and try this out and see how it foams up. I do have my facial brush, my spinning brush, so we'll see how it works with that as well. So this is what it looks like after the facial cleanse. Now I can say my face does feel very clean. I don't feel like you know, it's extra oily or extra dry or anything. I really like this product. So yeah, I think I would actually have to try this again. It feels really, really fresh on my face. I like this. Like, it got all of the oil and the dirt out of my pores. Yeah, y'all need to try this one. Pick this one up. This is a good buy. So last but certainly not least, we have the Soothing Facial Toner, Cucumber and Aloe for all skin types, advanced formula. Directions for use: wash your face, put toner on a cotton pad and lightly spread the toner over your face and neck. Use twice daily. So I don't know, I use Witch Hazel for my toner every day, so I guess I can compare it to that while using that product. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. My face is already cleansed from the previous product, and we're just gonna try this out. Okay, so for this toner, a few things I don't like. I don't like that it doesn't have like a squeeze top, so you kind of have to just pour it on your cotton round. I don't like that. But aside from that, I can get a little used to it. But aside from that, it didn't really draw out anything on my cotton round. Like when I use Witch Hazel, this would be full of like all the dirt that was left behind from cleansing my face. None of that. And then it like rips up the cotton round. Like this does not happen when I use Witch Hazel at all. I don't know what's up with this product, but it smells amazing. That I can say. It smells really, really good. It is cucumber and aloe and it smells great. So I don't know, if you just want something that, I mean, I don't know. It's kind of like, I would use this really for like makeup remover, because that's all it's really doing. It's just moistening your face. It's not really, I don't know, it's not doing what it needs to do for me. I don't know, you might like it maybe for a different skin tone, but for me, this ain't happening, sis. Ditch this one. Now, since I do love the refreshing smell of this, if you do want to pick this up for the scent, I would say you can put it in like a little spray bottle like this. And I think I also got this from Dollar Tree as well. Put it in a spray bottle. You can spray it on your face at night before you go to bed. A nice little cooling mist. So those were all my dollar store beauty picks. Ones you can hit and ones that you need to definitely miss, and leave them right there on the shelf, okay? Yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video.